GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
I'm gonna come to directly to that womanizer label because it is a very detrimental for any man to live with.
I don't think I'm going to talk about it right now.
Did you feel targeted?
Yes. Whatever I felt, whatever was there in my mind, I said it.
You actually expressed that you really had feelings for Isha more than a friend.
We are really good friends right now. And if something happens in future, I will definitely let you know.
First word that defines them, any adjective that defines them, okay? Rajat.
People are taking it in a very different manner. Oh my God, इसने हमारी जनता मीडिया पे इल्जाम. Everybody has their own PR.
There were many labels attached to him on the show, but he has proved that nothing can actually deter his spirit. Today, joining me for a conversation only on Galata, India is Avinash, straight from the Big Boss 18 house. How do you feel?
I feel great about it. The journey has been incredible, and as you said, a lot of labels were given to me. And I'm glad that everything got justified. I justified the villain tag also.
Avinash villain choro, but you know, because we have very little time, I'm gonna
Yeah.
come to directly to that womanizer label because it is a very detrimental for any man to live with because it gives you a feeling of shame and guilt even if you've not done it, and especially on national television. We saw you break down multiple times in anger, in tears. How did you manage to live those
Saw me in
things?
tears when?
Not tears, but like you were like really emotional because other people, your friends, were not understanding you.
See, I guess I don't have anything to say about it because obviously that was very baseless and very derogatory statement. And all the justifications and all the clarifications were done inside the house uh, by the housemates itself. We got to see that video.
Yeah.
They understood the whole intent behind that conversation. Salman sir understood. We had a conversation on Weekend Kawar about
Absolutely.
it. So I don't think I'm going to talk about it right now because whatever it was, it's clear right now and it's very obvious. Like I've been working in this industry from last 8 years. If something, even 1% of it was true, then I don't think anybody can survive in this industry with that kind of a nature or with that kind of character. So it was a very baseless and very
Wrong comment.
Wrong.
Let us say it for you. It was very wrong. Okay,
Thanks.
it was extremely wrong. Gender doesn't matter. It was wrong. That's all. But I want to ask you that when you were inside the show, a lot of targeting happened with you, Isha, and Vivian, especially in the media episode, right? And that bothered you a lot. And then you know the word narrative, the word paid PR, everything PR package, everything got like established. And then वापस जब वो लोग आए तो एकदम घमासान युद्ध हुआ, right? With verbal war. Did you anticipate that? What was running in your mind because you didn't have any connection outside जब आपने देखा कि आपको इतना टारगेट किया जा रहा था? Did you feel targeted?
Yes. What do you think? I won't stand by my words. I still meant whatever I said, and whatever I felt, whatever was there in my mind, I said it, and I still stand by it. I don't have to say कि अच्छा मैंने गलती से बोल दिया. No, I felt that way, and I said those things. And there was nothing wrong in it what I said. People are taking it in a very different manner. कि, oh my God, इसने हमारी जनता मीडिया पे इल्जाम. Everybody has their own PR. Everybody go with a preparation, right? Some does a lot, some don't need. They thought कि okay this is fine, but some people do it a lot. And जो मेरे को feel हुआ, it was very obvious.
पर क्या आपने नहीं किया था? मतलब आप जब जा रहे थे, I've heard your story. One day when we sit together, I'm going to discuss your story because that's for somebody and everybody to hear. Did you feel like you didn't do these kind of PR for sure?
See,
इतना तगड़ा PR तो नहीं किया था.
see, sometimes you gotta understand कि everybody does PR, okay, when they are
Yeah.
about to enter Big Boss, but you do it for your growth.
Absolutely.
You do it for your fans, for the audience, and there is a strategy. Sometimes there are dirty strategies.
Absolutely.
Sometimes there are negative PR about others. Okay? And you know what? That comes under strategy, but please say that is a dirty strategy, and please say that is a negative PR. And if I have that guts to say it out loud, I'm proud of it, and I still don't want to take any words back. जो भी बोला उस time बोला, जो feel किया बोला.
Kudos to you. You actually expressed that you really had feelings for Isha more than a friend. कहाँ पे लगा कि यार ये बात बनी नहीं या फिर लग सकता है कि बात बन सकती है बिकॉज योर बॉन्डिंग फॉरगेट द नेम टू दैट रिश्ता द बॉन्डिंग वाज प्योर जितना भी लोग बोले बहुत प्योर था बहुत अच्छा था
See, the point is, we are really good friends right now, and जो भी चीज़ें ऑडियंस एक्सपेक्ट कर रही है जो आगे क्या होगा इस रिलेशन का whether it's going to be just friends or more than that. So right now, let me just clarify it to you. We are good friends, and if something happens in future, I will definitely let you know.
Absolutely. I'm going to quickly give you some names, okay, of your contestants. First word that defines them. Any adjective that defines them, okay? Vivian.
Heart.
Karan.
Strategy.
Rajat.
Gamer.
Okay. Chahat.
Cute.
Okay. Shilpa ji.
Cute with less brain.
Chum.
Chum, very genuine.
Okay. Shrutika.
Shrutika, confused but cute.
Finally, Chahat and your pairing had been loved a lot, right?
Wow.
And
See, Chahat.
also the little bit of khitpit jo hua. Do you want to work with her again? Because there were a lot of things said about both of
let's
you.
work together यार. Let's do one more show. इन सबका मुंह बंद करा देते हैं यार. क्या तू भी फालतू है.
I hope to have a longer conversation with you,
Ah.
but I'll still tell you that the guts and the confidence with which you stood and you had a spine to stand by your conviction, your opinions, I really respect that and admire that. So thank you so
Means
much.
a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.